Thinking about ordering from Santi Vento Atelier, the ads are sleek, the clothes look high-end, and everything screams luxury. But is it actually a legit boutique or just another scammy online shop? Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide showing my exact process. Links in the description. So Santi Vento claims to be a luxury atelier offering handcrafted, elegant pieces, think runway-style clothing with a boutique twist. The site design is clean and the branding feels premium, and they definitely know how to market to the aesthetic crowd. But when you check the reviews, not everything matches up. On Trustpilot, some buyers mention issues like long shipping times and quality that doesn't really live up to the price tag. It's not flooded with reviews, but a few red flags are there. And over on Scam Advisor, the store scores low on trust due to missing company details and limited transparency. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep in mind. So, is Santi Vento Atelier legit? Maybe, but it seems like a mixed bag. If you're willing to gamble for the aesthetic, go for it, but don't expect luxury level customer service. If you value reliable shipping and solid returns and consistent quality, you might want to stick to more established brands. Bought from Santi Vento, was it a fav or a flop? Share your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews on trendy stores and viral products.